Before watching this video to the end, who do you think deserves the #1 spot, the #1 Nigerian richest musician? Now, this here is the top 50 Nigerian richest musician based on their handle, the social media, their concerts, their album sales. Here are the top 5: Toothpaste $25 million, Burna Boy $27 million, Wizkid $30 million, Jazzy $35 million, and Davido as the #1 richest Nigerian musician with $40 million. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button,